Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to get multi-snap back on your Snapchat app. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, go ahead and open up Snapchat as you normally would. Alright, as you can see, I'm on the going to take an image or a photo, and now from here click on the little plus icon, and then you want to click into director mode, create and edit videos using advanced tools. And now to create a multi-snap, just simply take a photo or image, and now click preview. Take a photo or image, and now take a photo or image. Alright, I'll go back. Now take a photo or image. Go back. Take a photo. You can see this is creating a multi-snap. You can see on the top left-hand corner different snaps on this Snapchat, and down below you see you got 2.3 seconds, 0.6, 1.9, etc, etc. Yeah, so that's it guys, how to create multi-snap or get multi-snap back on Snapchat.